Today I'm going to show you how to add a text bounce effect in Premiere Pro. Before we get started, please note, if you're using stroke or shadows for your text, this effect won't be able to animate the individual letters properly. Select your text tool and type some text on your preview screen, then go over to Properties and modify it however you want. Now go over to Effects and search for Text Animator and add the effect to the start of your text layer. Move your playhead so that it's about halfway through the effect, then click on the effect and go over to Effect Controls. Scroll down and expand Type, then select Overshoot from the menu. Now modify Amplitude to 100 and Decay to 50, then increase Distribution to 50%. Scroll down a bit more and modify the second push position value to 200, then modify Horizontal Spacing, Horizontal Zoom, and Vertical Zoom all to 0. Now to give it that final touch, scroll to the bottom and increase Motion Blur to around 50. If you want to increase or decrease the speed of the animation, you can simply click and drag the effect handles to the left or right.